High in the fragile Himalayas, a mega-project was underway. The Silkyara Barkot Tunnel, 4.5 kilometers, promised faster, safer journeys as part of India's Char Dham all-weather road. But beneath the mountains, danger was growing. Warnings were ignored, safety was delayed. On November 12, 2023, 41 workers found themselves trapped in darkness. The workers were carrying reprofiling work between 260 meter and 265 meter inside the tunnel from Silkyara side. What are the possible reasons behind this incident? Weak geological conditions. Absence of an emergency escape tunnel. Inadequate ground support, poor real-time monitoring, over-excavation. Neglected safety warnings, water ingress. What are the main consequences? Human impact, project delays and cost overruns, public and political pressure. Reputational damage, regulatory and policy changes and economic impact. If we know the safety rules, why don't we make sure they are followed? Why do we wait to react instead of working to prevent? Is the life of our people worth so little that we only care after tragedy strikes?